Hi, I'm Giles, the Technical Director of Havilah Resources. Today, I'd like to give you a brief run through of our recently released quarterly report. The highlights for us was the ongoing work of BHP on the Kalkaroo copper-gold deposit and also the Strategic Alliance drilling results in the surrounding area. Turning first to the Kalkaroo study program, during the quarter, BHP completed 31 diamond drill holes on the Kalkaroo mining lease. Several of these drill holes had potentially economic grade intersections that were outside of Havilah's conceptual open pit design. This is important because it shows good prospects for resource expansion at Kalkaroo. A comparison of BHP's drilling results with Havilah's earlier resource drilling for 16 holes showed very similar copper results, but BHP gold results are about 20% higher, which is a positive outcome because it means that there is potentially more gold present than in our current resource model. For us, the key outcomes of BHP's work is that it has largely substantiated Havilah's earlier pre-feasibility study work. And moreover, they did not find any fatal flaws in the Kalkaroo project. This time BHP is presently undertaking a compilation and technical review of all the data it has generated to date, ahead of deciding on the shape of its future work program for Kalkaroo. And turning now to the BHP-funded Strategic Alliance drilling in the surrounding area, during the quarter the Phase 1 drilling program was completed for 72 holes, totaling almost 15,000 metres at several prospects within 15 kilometres of Kalkaroo. This drilling has, in our opinion, substantially upgraded the potential for three main prospects, namely Deep Well, Johnson Dam and Homestead. Details of the drilling intersections are documented in the quarterly. But in summary, apart from some quite significant copper intersections, there are also potentially economic intersections of associated uranium, high-value rare earths, cobalt and molybdenum. We view these results as highly positive, as in each case the mineralisation appears to be sufficiently extensive to potentially support the discovery of a new Kalkaroo-size multi-metal deposit. On Havilah's solo-operated Mutooroo copper-cobalt project, several prospects lying south of the main highway and in the area surrounding the Mutooroo resource were drilled during the quarter, and they confirmed the earlier significant intersections of copper and gold. The highlight for us was 5 holes at the Mingeri mine that demonstrated continuity of a copper-gold mineralised lode zone for almost 1 kilometre of strike, and confirming previous Minotaur drilling. The grades are in the vicinity of 0.5% copper and 0.5 gram gold over widths of 10 to 30 metres. And we believe there is good scope to outline a sizable resource here that could provide additional ore feed for a processing hub at Mutooroo. Now I'd like to mention the McDonald iron ore prospect, where Havilah signed an agreement to acquire EL 6299 that covers a large area of the Braemar iron formation. The chief attraction of this tenement is its proximity to the Barrier Highway and Transcontinental Railway line, and the opportunity to selectively mine high-grade iron ore zones from the surface, given the steep dips of the iron formation units. In our opinion, this is a valuable strategic asset as the world transitions to higher grade and higher purity beneficiated iron ore that is better suited to the new generation, more energy efficient steel plants. Looking to the future, during this quarter we plan to continue with our Strategic Alliance drilling on other regional prospects in the vicinity of Kalkaroo. We will continue to work with BHP as they compile their Kalkaroo study program data. On Havilah's own account, we plan to drill the highly prospective Burksgate IOCG copper-gold uranium prospect north of Portia, where MMG intersected ore-grade copper mineralisation roughly 10 years ago. We also plan to continue with our exploration drilling in the Mutooroo area and we will be seeking a partner to help us complete the Mutoru copper-cobalt pre-feasibility study. That will include resource expansion drilling. There's a lot of information to absorb here, and we understand that you may have some questions. So please send them to us, and we'll address them in an upcoming Q&A forum.
We invite you to learn more about Havilah and our various projects by visiting our website and by subscribing to our regular newsletters, or by contacting me directly with any questions you may have.